Best Incorporated and SolderTools.net present EZReball. Welcome to the EZReball product demonstration video. EZReball is the fast and easy way to replace the solder balls on a ball grid array component, or BGA, in the event of the removal of the BGA due to misalignment or improper orientation on the circuit board, or changing the alloy used in production of the assembly. Step 1. Remove the old solder balls by applying flux to the component and using a blade solder tip. With a gentle touch, excess solder can be removed by flowing the solder balls with the blade tip. Excess solder will flow off the component and onto the blade tip. Step 2. Using the same blade tip and solder wick, continue removing the old solder until all solder has been removed from the component. Tin the tip and return it to the holder. Finally, clean the surface of the component terminations with an appropriate solvent and lint-free cloth. Step 3. Apply a thin layer of flux to the component termination surfaces. The flux can easily be spread with a finger. Step 4. Place the EZReball preform onto the BGA and align the balls with the termination surfaces of the component. Step 5. Reflow the component and EZReball using the appropriate time-temperature profile. Step 6. When the component is cool enough to handle but still warm, gently remove the EZReball substrate from the component. Work around the component, carefully separating the component and the EZReball substrate. Step 7. Clean the component and wipe it dry using an approved solvent and lint-free cloth. Thank you for watching the EZReball product demonstration. For more stencils, training materials, IPC standards, and more, please visit SolderTools.net. To view training class schedules and enroll in classes, please visit SolderTraining.net.